Hey, how's it going? I'm going to show you one of my favorite little DIY home decor tricks here. So go to your local secondhand store, Mine's Valley Village. You're going to go over to your neglected glassware section, find some cool vases with some cool textures, cool shapes, anything that catches your eye. Don't chip it. All these vases cost me like $30 and maybe like $20 in materials. Lay them out there. Yeah, it looks good. Nice. Okay. Give these things a wipe. Treat it like your it doesn't have to be too clean. Just clean enough so that if you touch it, it doesn't leave any residue on your fingers. And we're going to take this tape. We're going to take cornholio over here, and we're just going to turn this thing into a geriatric scrotum. Just add some wrinkles, add some texture. You can see there, I got it all nice and wrinkly. Yeah, cool. Okay, we're going to take some Elmer's white glue and just lather the scrotum. Lotion up the scrotum with the Elmer's white glue. I'm going to seal all those wrinkles in. Make it nice and hard. Same thing for the nice curvy vase over here. And then we're going to cover it in, this is aquarium sand, so grab whatever you want, sand off your floor mat in your car, pocket lint, dirt, kitty litter, and just anything to add a nice texture. So you can see there we got it all coated up, and we're just doing this wavy one real quick, glue as well. Okay, silver bullet, turning it into not a silver bullet. Give it a shot of black. Yeah, it looks cool. Okay, coming in with a second layer of glue, we're just going to seal in all that pocket lint, kitty litter, sand. Make it nice and solid. Second layer on the geriatric scrotum. I want it nice and sturdy. Second layer here too. Sprinkle some pocket lint on there. Add a little bit of texture. Shot of gray here. Nice flat base coat.
Sup, babe?
And some gray here on scrotum vase. Extra paint on the brush. Just doing more layers the better on Sandy over there. So this is a tip or a method called dry brushing. So we're just going to get the tip wet. Emphasis on just the tip. And then we're going to get it nice and dry. You want as little paint left over as possible. Get it nice and dry, just the tip, and then nice and dry. And then we're just hitting those high spots. And it's going to add a lot of contrast, so the paint's not going into the valleys there, it's just hitting all the peaks. And you can just keep doing this until you get a finish that you like. That looks good there, nice and ribbed for her pleasure, and all the high spots are nice and highlighted. Okay, we're just going to tape it off and do a little bit of contrast here, back to black. Got the kind of wine bottle label going on here. Didn't like how high that line was, so I just brought that line down. Okay, back to the dry brushing technique, just the tip, wet the tip. And we're just hitting the high spots there. Same kind of looks like some beach sand, some wavy sand. You can just see the white there on the high spots. Nice little bit of contrast. Another layer on sandy. Just lock in all the kitty litter. Make sure it doesn't fall off. Okay, kindergarten arts and crafts here. Just taking some finger paint and just hitting some of these high spots. Just to add a little bit of a cool design. Clear coat, semi-gloss. I think on some of these I'll probably go back and do a matte finish. I don't totally love the semi-gloss finish.
No.
Okay, so turning the scrotum black now. It's looking good. Clear coat on the wine bottle. Clear coat on that. A little bit of two-tone going on here. Add a little bit more detail at the end on that vase, you'll see at the end. And here's our last guy here. It's like the boho bong. Didn't really like that brown on top, so went with the black. And yeah.